Okay, today's lesson is a Frenchie. All right, with the turkey feather. So I can name turkey feather Frenchie. I put the size 16 hook, jig hook, and size 764 bead on the device already. Small hole first, and then I'm gonna use the fluorescent orange thread. I'm gonna snip off right here. And then cut to the right before the bend of the hook. So right here. I'm gonna use a tie material. I'm a tailing material. Use a turkey feather. Use a bodkin to separate to get the about 5-6 fibers. I'm going to use this turkey feather fiber for both tail and the abdomen. Okay, about here. So I'm gonna tie this on top and loosely, and then adjust here by pulling about here. And then take this on. And then I have a copper wire. I'm going to use a bracelet size. This is between small and medium, the bracelet size. Go back to the bend of the hook, right there, and go back to the behind the eye of the hook. At this point, one turn of whip finish. Okay. Take the turkey feather and turning and wrapping toward the behind the bead. About 3 turns, one front, easy. And the copper wire is turning the opposite of the kind of towards you to enhance the fragile the feather. About 5-6 turns evenly. Since I kind of turn the other way, I do kind of turning around and turning around. And the helicopter to cut it. And for the thorax, I use ice dub UV shrimp pink. Just a little bit thin dubbing. And we finish about 5 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And snip. And since I tied with fluorescent orange, see here the hot spot here, and then also here you got 2 different hot spots under the UV light. And then also this is different version, the green, glow green. This also got the 2 different hot spots. So you can have 2 different versions. Okay, if you want to have a different tailing, the key is so when you use the feather tail this way, but if you want to use a different tail, tie up right here to have a strong, abdomen. Okay. All right. This is a turkey feather. Turkey feather. What is this? Frenchie.
French.
That's it.